Hey everyone, this is Pandorum and you're watching my masterclass for Soundteams. For those who don't know me, I make music as Pandorum since 15 years now. I made remixes and releases for labels like Century Media, Sony Music, Universal, Nuclear Blast, and Disciple, Cannibalen. The list goes on. Made remixes for producers like Illenium, Apache, and many, many more. I played Rampage, Blacklist Festival, some stuff in America and China and Australia. Pretty excited to provide you this masterclass here. This time we will talk about the fundamentals of having a red line in your music. So that means having cohesive songwriting. You will look over my shoulder while I start producing a song, I start sound designing, I start just getting the idea and getting a flow for the song with cohesive songwriting in mind, because I think that's kind of missing in the scene at the moment and it's something that everyone can learn from. So enjoy this masterclass.